we're gonna be doing it for like the next 6 months, okay? Hey you, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title, we are going to be using something that has been going viral for whatever reason, but we're going to try to hopefully find out soon. We're going to be trying K18 today. I actually have a surprise for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. I'm going to spoil it because I'm excited. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Now, what actually is so special about this magical K18? So I asked ChatGPT, so let's see what they say. K18 claims to reverse hair damage caused by bleach, color treatments, chemical services, and heat styling. It also claims to restore strength and elasticity by bringing the hair back to its original healthy state. Okay, that's fancy actually. It also claims to work really quickly, so it says to deliver results in just 4 minutes. And it also says it has long-lasting results. Unlike surface treatments, K18 repairs damage from the inside out, offering more permanent restoration. That's actually pretty dope. So now on to how does K18 work. It works by targeting inner hair damage. It's different because most hair treatments work on the outer layer, but K18 is going to penetrate deeply into the cortex, which is literally just the middle of your hair strand. And it also says that it rebuilds broken keratin chains by reconnecting the chains inside the hair, repairing the damage at a molecular level, hence the name molecular leave-in. And then of course, when we're doing this, you don't need to rinse it out, and it's often marketed with essential products to use after bleaching, coloring, and other chemical treatments to restore hair health. And K18 claims this technology is backed by 10 years of bioscience research. I'm not a scientist, but next to math, science was my next favorite subject. And it was just because we play with a lot of chemicals. And that's exactly why I love to color hair, because it's just you playing with chemicals. So here I'm just shampooing my hair with my clarifying shampoo, and that is the first step of the molecular leave-in repair hair mask. I do really love that it's a leave-in because at the end I actually do not rinse it out. I actually leave it in my hair, and it's actually still in my hair right now. I'm just gonna finish this shampooing process. You guys can skip past it or just enjoy it. I love the shampoo portion, so I'm gonna leave it in here. It's really not that long left, but yeah, if you want to skip past it, you know, you can skip past it. So here I am with my shirt dried hair. Of course you can use a towel, but I don't like the snags and pulls, so I just like to use a shirt. My hair, it was dry. I didn't realize it was gonna matte like that. It started turning into locks. Definitely will be taking these twists out in the next month review. That's gonna be some work. But now I'm really just going ahead and sectioning my hair. I was being so lazy today. To be fair, I've been sick for the last month. I have work to do and I've had schoolwork. This is my last week, like it's finals week before winter break. Yeah, I've been tired, so I've been cutting corners where I could cut them corners, okay? Even without the scissors, with the scissors. I was gonna use a kitchen knife, but them corners was getting cut. So as y'all see, I am literally sectioning my hair with bobby pins. Hey, it got the job done. I didn't have to go up and get no clips and dirty no clips, saving them for my client. My initial goal was I was gonna do 4 sections, and then each section was gonna get a pump because, you know, I normally part my hair into 4 sections. I'll have a video coming out on my whole routine. But then I was reading the instructions, and it actually recommended that you only use 3 pumps. I was like, okay, cool. So I'm just trying to show y'all a good view of the before. this is my first time opening it, and I'm gonna open it with you. And it had this little thing on it. I'm glad I showed that because I did not know that was gonna be there. It's pretty smart though. Just pull it out and then you can pump it. So when you pump the first few, it's just gonna be air, so you gotta do it about 2 times and then you're gonna get some of the product. The first pump, it wasn't really as much as I wanted it to be. It wasn't a full pump, but it was still a lot. And do y'all see how much product that is? That is a lot of product. And I'm actually doing this on damped hair. So my hair was currently dry, but what I did was I realized, okay, we'll do 1.5 pumps on each section. And once I got all of the product off my hands, because I didn't want to waste anything, I sprayed it with a little bit more water, a little bit more warm water, and then I rubbed the product some more into my hair. I actually can't wait to do this once my hair is out of the twist. I'm really excited for that actually, because that's going to be the real test, the real kicker, because it's going to be getting into the strands and everything. Or I guess you could say this is the real test, the real kicker, because it's in the twist. Like, does it still work in the twist? And it did. That was pretty interesting. I'm doing 1 whole pump on each side, and then I go back in the end and I do a whole nother pump covering the rest of the hair. But you guys, that was a lot of product. I was actually surprised by how much product that was. So here is 1 pump, and I'm out blowing my hand because it was a little damp, but you see how it's nothing there, but you just keep rubbing and eventually both of your hands will fill up with the product and you just put it on your hair. Do y'all see how much product that is? Like, that literally covered up my hair. This is really a lot of product. Like, don't underestimate this little small bottle. It's the reason why it costs so much, because it really, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's a dope item. It's a freaking bioengineered. Like, that's just dope. It was really thick too. That was the other thing that got me. It was really thick. So I'm just rubbing in the rest of that product that was from the second pump on the second half of my hair, making sure to get it in there, because I actually do have some strands that were out because these were boho twists. So that's why you see some fuzzy pieces of hair. This twist was hurting really bad, so I had to take it out, okay? So now we are doing the last pump. I'm dancing because that's a lot. So I'm just rubbing that in, and this is going to be my last pump. I'm going to put this over my whole entire head, and my head is damp. My hands are dry, but my hair is damp. I've seen people use it where they don't rub their hands in all together, and they're like, this isn't enough product. 3 pumps was enough for me. So yes, as you know, we are going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away the mask that I am using today. It is going to be in the 15 milliliters, so it's going to be the smaller one. Each milliliter is a pump, so you get 15 pumps, so that depends on your hair. So how do you enter, you may ask? So of course, the first thing that you must be is you must be subscribed to my channel. You can click the button that is on the screen or down underneath the video. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and you are going to get to leave me a comment. Hold on, I gotta read what I said. How could you use this product and why could you use this product? So you can make it fancy. Not no essay. Please don't give me an essay. We are not in school. I'm sick of school. I'm in school right now and I'm sick of school. You can give me like a sentence or two. You can just be like, hey, you know, for example, I have colored hair and I feel like it would help my hair get back to the best state possible that it could be. You know, but make it unique and make it your own. Now for some bonus entries, you can follow me on IG or LnaeStyles. They both are LnaeStyles. Another thing, you can comment the best timestamp of this here video with your favorite emoji. That's just something fun to do. For the follow, whether if you just follow on IG or if you just follow on LnaeStyles, that'll be half of an entry. If you do both, it'll be a full entry. If you comment, that's a whole 1 extra entry. So yeah, the more entries, the better. This giveaway is going to last 6 months, mainly because we are going to be testing the product out for 6 months. I'm trying to come back to YouTube, and I feel like my videos are just shadow banned. Like, I just feel like I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm not even sure if a lot of people are gonna watch this video or even gonna see this video. So with that being the case, we're gonna let it go on for 6 months. Let me know down below. Make sure to leave your entries, things like that, yada yada yada, whoop de whoop de whoop. The shipping is just gonna be for the US. I haven't decided whether I'm gonna do the shipping or if whoever the winner is, you'll have to pay for the shipping. It really just depends on how many views this video gets, how many likes this video gets, and not even just this one but the ones following. It just depends on what they get. It has officially been 4 minutes. Let's talk about it, y'all. Okay. My initial thoughts, like when I first opened the package and everything, I already knew it was going to be small because, you know, I was doing my research. I was making sure I knew how to apply this right. I guess I just was like, for the actual size and like how much you are supposed to use, this isn't bad. We'll get to the price in a second, but this actually isn't terrible, I'm gonna say. So how I used it was, as y'all saw, that's the whole point of this video. I literally shampooed my hair with my cleansing shampoo, and I'll have a whole video coming out on that. It's already done, recorded. I just need to edit it and get it up to you guys. I literally just shampooed my hair like it said, and then I towel dried it. I shirt dried it. I don't use a towel to dry my hair. I use a shirt. My nails already do enough snagging. I don't need the towel to snag as well. I mean, y'all saw it. I'm not finna explain to y'all what I just did, as we just explained what I did. And of course we just left it on for the 4 minutes, and then after the 4 minutes, here we are. And you guys, I love it, y'all. I'm sorry. I love it. The results, my hair is soft. I didn't think it was actually gonna be soft. Mind y'all, I use a clarifying shampoo. I don't use a moisturizing shampoo because I condition right after, so I don't do a moisturizing shampoo. Please find me in the comments for it. Like, I did not expect my hair to be soft, you know, coming from a cleansing shampoo, and those are very drying. It literally smells like lotion, okay? It just smells like lotion. Y'all know the lotion you get when you go to like the hotels and they give you like a complimentary lotion? That is exactly what it smells like. It was so easy to apply too. I like how the pumps are actually a lot. Like, for one pump, that actually is a lot. And then especially when you rub it in your hands and it covers both of your hands, and then when you put it on your hair, it steals. Like, it's a lot. Like, I did not realize, like, I saw the white. I was not expecting to see the white because everybody I saw do it, I didn't see the white on when they put it on their hair. But to be fair, my hair is in twist. I did decide to do this in twist. We're gonna do it like outside of the twist later. Everything is that way. What would I rate it out of a scale of 1 to 5? I would definitely rate the product a 5. I'm gonna rate it a 5. If I were to include the price into it, it would just be like a 4.5. Yeah, so I would actually give it a 4.5 overall, but as far as just the product itself, it is definitely 5 out of 5 for me. Overall, I'll give it a 4.5. Would I repurchase it again? Y'all already know no. The answer to that is no. I'm not spending $75 on this. I'm not a celebrity. I ain't got all the big monies in the world. I would not repurchase it again, and it's just because of the price. I did see that there was a dupe for it, so if I do like my results and when I finish the bottle and everything like that, then I will definitely try out the dupe. Also, if you want to get this for free, make sure to enter the giveaway, and don't forget that those instructions are gonna also be down below in the description box for you. Would I recommend it? Honestly, yes. If you have colored hair, heat damaged hair, chemically processed hair, and you just don't want to cut it off, I'ma honestly recommend this. If it's so bad to the point where it is like chemically altered, if it's to the point where your hair is like badly chemically processed, for example, if my hair was just straighter, if like my ends were just straight, or if I have bad heat damage to where it's curly at my new growth and then it's straight at the bottom, please just cut your hair off. Just cut your hair off. It's never that serious to spend $75 on a product when you can go get some scissors for like $10 if you don't already have them. Hair scissors, please. Oh my gosh, The product made my hands soft. It's literally a lotion. It made my hands soft. I'm over here rubbing my hands together like, hold on, this feels soft. Wow. Okay, sorry. But would I recommend this product? Yes, I would definitely recommend it to you. Now, as far as whether you want to spend $75 or not, that is on you. But like I said, we doing a giveaway, so you can enter that, and you can enter to get one for free. It is going to be the 15 milliliters. It's not going to be 50. I'm not a celebrity. I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. I'm not going to do too much to it. Some things that I noticed, or tips that they were saying, or things like that. For one, damped hair. So when you're putting this product on, you actually want to put it on damp hair. So yes, you want it to, that's why they say towel dry, because you technically want it to be damp. And I chose to do this in like my twist today, mainly because it was a lazy thing. I didn't really feel like taking my hair down, for one. And for two, we're gonna be doing it for the next 6 months, because I only wash my hair once a month. So I'm taking my hair down next month, not now. It kind of works out for me. Another thing is you want to make sure that you rub the product in. Like a lot of people, you know, even me, like I'm talking about the price and stuff, but to be honest, when you use it how it's initially meant to be used, you do get enough bang for your buck. But it is overpriced in my opinion. Like $75 is a lot, but also I haven't used it all yet, so maybe my opinion might change. So yeah, make sure if y'all haven't already to hit that subscribe button, and make sure to give it a like, because we are going to be using this for the next 6 months, and that is the duration of the giveaway as well. So once I get on my last use, because it says use it 4 to 6 times consecutively, so once I get on my last use, that is when we're gonna end the giveaway, and we're gonna announce the winner and everything like that. So I am super stoked and super excited, and I hope you are too. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really love the product on my hair, on my chemically altered and processed hair. It turned out really, really good. Yeah, don't forget to join the giveaway. Don't forget to tell your friends. We're gonna be doing bonus entries as well. Remember that your inner beauty is your most important beauty, and that God loves you and I love you. And don't forget to stay unique. This is